Hello and welcome to Makula. Today we're going to walk you through how you can use the Makula app as a field technician to record AI notes by speaking directly into the phone. And then in the next video, you can see how you can use these recorded, transcribed, and summarized AI notes to attach directly to the asset history. Navigate to the AI note taker by clicking More. Scroll down and select AI note taker. Here you will see a list of all the notes that you have recorded on your phone. You can click the mic icon to start recording. Hello, I'm walking around the Packmaster 3000 and it looks like there's some issues. The machine is making certain sounds and noises, and there is an oil leak from one side of the machine as well. The customer reached out to us and told us to fix this by the 30th of June. So I'm here on site today. What we're also going to do is switch out article number 123 and parts X, Y, and Z. Once you're done, you save the voice note. Makula starts generating a summary, also generates a transcription of the note, which you will be able to see in a minute. Once I'm inside the note that I've recorded, I can see when it was created, who it was created by. I can see the summary. Now I can also translate this to other languages. I can also see the transcript so that I can see everything that was said. And of course, I can also play back the audio. Now I can publish this note directly from the mobile app to the history of the asset. Now let's say this was the Packmaster 100 that's assigned to Acme Sunrise. I publish this note and now it's attached to the history of the asset. That's all for the AI note taker on the mobile app. Feel free to check out our other videos if you're looking for help on something else. Thank you.